Hey friends, an epic street find. Actually, I found this in my building's trash room, apartment building's trash room. What really intrigued me about this one, of course, right away was the made in Massachusetts, Nichols and Stone Company, Gardner, Massachusetts, the home of Windsor chairs. This is the number 20 antique X34-1, and it's got their more modern logo from what I can ascertain on the internet before doing this video. Nice, kind of looks like it's burned in there, wood burned right in there. I've read that this is oak. I was thinking that it might be maple, but either way, if you know more about these, the beautiful spindle back. I mean, this chair is in great condition. The only thing is, it's basically what I would call a child's chair, or good for an adolescent. You know, I'm a medium-sized male, 5'9", 150, and I'm really cutting off there at the thigh. So, but I could not find anything that this chair, could not find any images of it online, of it being an adolescent chair or smaller size, but that spindle design from Nichols and Stone is legendary. And another project, just to recap, I did a video on this, restoring the seat with just sisal twine from a garden center in a basic weave style. This is another, well, this is an antique. I'm not sure that's an antique, but the company, Nichols and Stone, went out of business in 2008, I believe. And so this thing is absolutely beautiful. If anybody has any intel on this kind of design, how old you might think this chair is, there are some square nails I encountered in here when I was shoring it up, you can see, with some screws and wood glue years ago, and it's held up fairly well. But it also has this beautiful veneer. I found this chair on the street as well. You can see the chipped veneer there. I think that's cherry, most likely, it seems to me. But if anybody has any intel on the age or anything about this particular chair, I can't find anything about it, and there's really no other markings. And when I got the chair, it was filthy. I used dish soap, dish detergent mixed with water, and then I had to use some oil to remove probably decades of residue, grimy residue around this part of the back of the chair, and any type of oil will pick that up. I used a vegetable oil because I had it at the time, and then go back over and clean that again, and it removed all that residue that was on the chair. It did a pretty nice job with that. So that's really all you need to do. I got in with a toothbrush around these areas here to clean up any hard to get areas, and then finish off the chair with the linseed oil rag, boiled linseed oil. There were some worn areas here around the back of the chair. I gave those some extra TLC. I'd also be curious to hear what you guys use on your furniture, as people do use different things. But I've been using that for years, and I love the smell of it too. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. It's been a lot of fun to show you this Nichols and Stone chair. It looks like an adolescent sort of chair, but I'd be curious to hear if anybody's got any intel about it. And please subscribe to my channel, because I'm always going to be doing more street find restorations.